Hello my friends, on this video tutorial I will show you how to download a photo from Google. Sometimes we need a photo or something from Google but we don't know how to save it on our device. So let's go on the Google. Let's say we like this photo on the Google, in Google Images, but we don't know how to save it or how to have it on our device. It's an option here, visit, share, or something like this, but I will show you another form. What I suggest you to do is very easy tip. You just click on the photo, hold it for 2 seconds, and you will see here options: copy image, download the image, or search with Google Lens or something, share the image. But I will say download the image. Let's see on downloads now, open up, and here is the image. This is how you can download images from Google Chrome directly to your phone. Thank you guys for watching, see you on the next video tutorial.